The old ClickBank is dead. What do I mean by that as I'm saying this right now? You see, there are new things happening with ClickBank, and I have some exciting news to tell you. That's why I said that the old ClickBank is dead. So one of the great things right now with ClickBank is the new 2022 update, which is finally you can get paid 2 times per week. So 2 weekly payments. Before it was bi-weekly, right? So it means that you get paid like every second week, right? You had to wait 14 days to get your money out, but now you can get paid 2 times in a week. So it's really great news. Another great thing is, as you can see here, if you go to ClickBank, that when you're promoting offers, it's not only a rev share, right? Usually you get paid like 75 to 90% commissions as an affiliate, and now you can also get paid CPA offers. So what is CPA marketing? It means that, for example, let's say that I have a product which costs $50 and I get paid $100 commission for a sale of $50, right? So I get the front end sale much more higher part of the pie, right? Much more higher commission, because the owner of the product is going to make much more on the back end, right? He knows the audience so well that he knows the owners or the vendor know that they can afford to pay you a lot more than what actually the customer paid for the product. Now you have also different CPA models, like for example, not only sale, but you have like surveys and stuff like that, right? Where you are getting paid for the lead, right? Lead generation. So exciting news for you as an affiliate promoting those offers. Let's scroll down here and see those things. For example, CPA or rev share, it's your choice, right? You decide. So you can get paid much more quicker and faster, twice weekly, and campaigns are more scalable, right? You can also, the tracking is set up much more correctly. The tracking was an issue in the past, but now it's much more better, right? So you can track also with ClickBank. Now, you're asking yourself, should I trust ClickBank? Now, let me tell you this. As you can see here, the first payment was made more than 25 years ago. To be exact, 25 years. So ClickBank is a 25 years old company. So you can trust it that it's one of the best affiliate networks out there when you're a newbie, when you're someone who don't know for what network in affiliate space you should go after, right? And be promoting those offers. So I suggest you start for free with ClickBank. So you can start promoting over here. You can join ClickBank for free. You can sign up, create your account, and then start choosing your niche and promoting hot offers, right? With paid traffic or free traffic, whatever suits you. So you can see here, you even have the best offers live here. One of those them is BioFit, right? Is diet supplement. As you can see over here, the price is $69 and average payout is $124. And earning per click, as you can see, is $1.7, almost 1.8. So what does it mean for you as an affiliate? Imagine this. Let's say you have only 1 sale per day. Only 1 sale per day as an affiliate of this supplement bottle, right? Like you can be sitting right now in Australia, right? You can be sitting in Australia or somewhere else right now and promoting this supplement to people in Canada, US, right? You don't have to own this product. You can just go and be an affiliate, promote this product, and earn $124 per sale. So this is really amazing opportunity for you to make over $3,000 per month with only 1 affiliate sale, only 1 sale per day, and you're making over $3,000 every month. So ask yourself, I know maybe $3,000 per month is not much money to some of you watching this video, but $3,000 per month is also $36,000 per year, which is yours. Now ask yourself what you could do with extra $36,000 or $40,000 per year, right? As a side income. So it's entirely up to you how much effort you want to put in or how much money you want to invest into paid traffic or mentorship and coaching to have someone to guide you through step by step. So as you can see, there are many different options here, many different products that you can promote, right? You don't have to create your own product. As you can see here, you have Dentitox. So this is the body detox system, right? For teeth, for gums, right? And you're getting paid. As you can see here, $102 commissions. So you are making $100 per day promoting the product that is solving people's problem with gums, right? Bleeding gums, pain in your mouth, pain in your teeth, tooth decay, right? So it's everyday problem, right? We all have problems with this. So you as an affiliate, you can take advantage of that and start promoting this product right now, right? So if you're watching this video and if you want to know exactly how to do it, how to put the website together, landing page, who to target, should you choose Facebook ads, YouTube ads, or Google ads, then leave the comment below this video or just click the links below this video where you can connect with me personally on my social media or Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp, or even leave me an email if you wish so. And let's get started. Let's create something. Let's create your website. Let's get your ad copy lined up and let's get you up and running as quickly as possible so you can get the results you desired now. So thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips.